So hi everyone, this is Carmy once again. And for those who doesn't know me yet, I had been also blogging before. I started my YouTube channel before, but it was just for like private purpose collections. But now I'm coming back and I want to join your YouTube channels, your channel circles, YouTube circles. Please add me, please subscribe, and I want to come back on your channel to visit too. So mostly what you will be seeing on my channels are, I have some skincare products, I do entrepreneurial coaching, and I have shown some of my earnings there on how I get to earn on social medias, and many more. I also love vlogging, so maybe since I'm in Israel, I'll be showing you some of the locations, adventures that we have here in the Holy Land. So join me. I love to be a part of your circle, and you will get to know me more. I will be so transparent, as you can see. And then I want to share my life to everyone and to inspire people. I know some of you there guys are looking also from extra income, and I love to help you. I'm also active in Facebook, so you will see me there, Carmy here. I will type below so you can follow me. See you around and happy vlogging!
So, ito na guys. Totoo po na we are being paid legally from HSBC Advising Service. So, kung saan ko po nakita yung earning na to, pinadala sa email ko. So, bubuksan natin. It's legit po. So, payment advice. So, attached here is the payment. As you can see, you can read it slowly. This is, and then, it's here. The receipt is here. It's downloading. So, I just pay, I was paid January 10. It's not bad, right? January 10. And then another one is nagkasabay sila. Kasi nga sabi ko pwede kang kumita dito ng daily, weekly, at saka monthly. So ito is December 9, mas nauna ito. So another 2,126 in a day. Isn't that bad, right? Or it depends sa inyo, sa kung gaano kayo kasipag. And then, I have new payments again. Sige, post ko muna siya. Post. And the latest is today, this December 4. Ito siya, December 4. Okay, let's open December 4. Let's see. Yeah, December 4. No, it's not December. I mean, February 4. Ito na yung bago. Another 2,328. Not bad po. Kung daily nyo yun, i-earn, hindi po talaga siya bad. So, ito siya. December 10. Yeah, if you are 18, you can also start this business as long as you have an entrepreneurial dream. And then it's payday. Yes, it's true. And that's me because I'm happy for my payment and everything. We have to be grateful. And this is it. December 2, January. Why I keep saying December 2? It's January 2. 2019, I got paid again. And December 26, yes, I got paid. December 11, yes, I got paid. It's happiness. December 17, yes, I got paid. So, work from home and be your own boss. This is December 11, and I just got paid again. And this is the new one, February 4. So, pag interested kayo on how to earn, let me know. I'm happy to help you. That's it. What else?
I didn't mention pala doon sa video ko kanina kung saan galing yung mga earnings na yon that I have shown. I'm connected to Nu Skin Company, which is very legit. Matagal na po siya, and they are bringing new products from time to time. Kung dati it's yearly, they're promoting more new products. Ngayon, almost every month, may mga bago na tayong products, and they are very good. They are very demonstrable. Super ganda. So you will be seeing more of the products demonstration on my other videos. So again, this is Nu Skin, which has branches all over the world, 54 countries and counting more. So we have in the Philippines, we have in Israel, we have in the US, we have in Canada, and all over the world. So really, it's super galing na business ito kasi I can do business in US even though I'm here in Israel. I can do business in Philippines even though I'm in Israel because I have partners there. Once you have partners, kahit saan man sila, and then you can connect and then everybody's earning. So it's not, I don't have to go to work on a day in order to earn kahit na natutulog ako kung day nila sa ibang bansa. And then my partners keep ordering from there or they're doing the business there. And then tuloy po ang kita. Yun po ang kagandahan ng business natin. It's 24 days functional, okay? So for more details, we have to talk. And you can find me in Facebook, Carmy here. And then I have groups and pages there too, so we can discuss more and you will see what am I talking about. That's it.